Have you ever heard of Shilajit and its amazing health benefits? Right off the bat, let's dive into the world of this ancient natural substance. Shilajit, a sticky, tar-like substance, has its roots deep in the mountains, particularly in the Himalayas, Altai, and Caucasus ranges. This unique organic matter is born from the slow decomposition of plants over centuries, resulting in a potent and highly beneficial substance. It's not a new discovery, though. Shilajit has been used for thousands of years in Ayurvedic medicine, the traditional healing system of India. It's praised for its rejuvenating properties and its ability to enhance vitality. This humble mountain resin, with its rich mineral composition and fulvic acid, has been a cornerstone of wellness in communities living in its native regions. So, you might ask, what's all the fuss about? Well, Shilajit is believed to be a powerhouse of health benefits, from boosting stamina to supporting brain function. Stay tuned to learn more about this fascinating substance and how it can enhance your health. So, what exactly is Shilajit? You may find yourself pondering this question as we navigate through this fascinating journey of discovery. Shilajit, sometimes referred to as mineral pitch, is a sticky, tar-like substance predominantly found in the rocks of high-altitude regions like the Himalayas, Altai, Caucasus, and Andes. Its creation is a slow, meticulous process taking place over centuries. It all starts with the decomposition of plants. As these plants decay, they leave behind an organic compound known as humus. Over time, this humus gets compressed between layers of rocks, resulting in the formation of Shilajit. This process can take hundreds, even thousands of years, making Shilajit a testament to the power of time and persistence. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. What is Shilajit composed of? Well, to put it simply, Shilajit is a powerhouse of nutrients. It boasts a rich mineral content, including over 80 trace minerals such as iron, magnesium, potassium, and calcium, to name a few. These minerals are essential to maintaining the body's overall health and well-being. Furthermore, Shilajit is packed with fulvic and humic acids. Fulvic acid in particular has a unique ability to transport nutrients directly to the cells, enhancing their absorption. This makes Shilajit not just a source of nutrients, but also an effective means of nutrient delivery. But that's not all. Shilajit also contains dibenzo-alpha-pyranese, a group of compounds known for their potent antioxidant properties. These antioxidants help protect the body against damage from free radicals, contributing to overall health and longevity. In essence, Shilajit is a complex, nutrient-dense substance formed by the slow, relentless forces of nature over centuries. Its unique composition of minerals, fulvic and humic acids, and antioxidants makes it a truly remarkable natural remedy. Now that we know what Shilajit is, let's delve into its numerous health benefits. You might be wondering, what can Shilajit do for my health? Well, the answer might surprise you. This potent substance is packed with a multitude of health benefits, and today we're going to delve into them. First off, Shilajit is a powerful immune booster. It's rich in fulvic acid, a compound known for its ability to transport nutrients directly into cells. This helps to nourish your body at the cellular level, enhancing your overall immunity. Imagine a fortress, well protected and always prepared for battle. That's your immune system on Shilajit. But the benefits don't stop there. Shilajit is also known to improve cognitive function. It contains a unique mix of minerals and compounds that can help stimulate brain activity, enhancing concentration and memory. Picture your brain as a well-oiled machine, firing on all cylinders. That's the power of Shilajit at work. Moreover, for those of you with a physically demanding lifestyle, Shilajit might be just what you need. It has been used for centuries by athletes and warriors for its ability to enhance physical performance and endurance. It's like adding high-quality fuel to a sports car, enabling it to reach its maximum potential. Now, let's talk about heart health. Recent studies suggest that Shilajit may have potential benefits for the heart. Its antioxidant properties can help to protect the heart from damage, while its mineral-rich composition supports overall cardiovascular health. Think of it as a protective shield, guarding your heart against potential threats. Lastly, one of the most intriguing benefits of Shilajit is its potential to slow down the aging process. The fulvic acid present in Shilajit is a potent antioxidant, which helps to fight off free radicals, the culprits behind aging. Additionally, it's packed with over 80 minerals that nourish your body, promoting longevity and vitality. It's like owning a magic potion that keeps you youthful and energetic. So, to sum up, Shilajit is a powerhouse of health benefits. It can boost your immune system, enhance cognitive function, improve physical performance, potentially protect your heart, and even slow down aging. It's like having a personal health assistant always working to ensure you're at your best. But, as with any health supplement, it's important to remember that everyone's body is different. What works wonders for one person may not have the same effect on another. Therefore, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional before adding any new supplement to your regimen. Impressive, isn't it? But how do you use Shilajit? Let's find out. So, how can you incorporate Shilajit into your daily routine? Well, Shilajit comes in different forms, and depending on your preference, you can choose between powder, resin, or capsules. Each form has its benefits and ways of use, so let's dive into it. Starting with the most common one, the Shilajit resin. This form is the purest and most potent. To use it, you take a small pea-sized portion and dissolve it in warm, but not boiling water. It may take a few minutes to fully dissolve, but once it does, you can drink it like a tea. This is typically done once or twice a day, preferably on an empty stomach. Next, we have Shilajit in powder form. This form is quite versatile and can be mixed into various foods and drinks. A common practice is to blend 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of the Shilajit powder into a glass of milk or a smoothie. Like resin, it's advisable to take this once or twice a day. Lastly, for those who prefer convenience, Shilajit capsules are the way to go. These are easy to carry around and can be taken with a glass of water. The recommended dosage is usually 1 to 2 capsules a day, but it's always best to follow the instructions on the package. Now, while Shilajit is generally safe for most people, the dosage can vary depending on your age, overall health, and specific health goals. A good rule of thumb is to start with a lower dosage and gradually increase it if needed. This gives your body time to adapt and respond positively to the supplement. Also, it's worth noting that while Shilajit is a natural substance, it can interact with certain medications. So if you're on any medication or have underlying health conditions, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement. Remember, as with any supplement, it's important to listen to your body and consult a healthcare professional if needed. There you have it, the power of Shilajit for boosting your health. We've taken a journey together from the high-altitude rocks of the Himalayas to your home, tracing the path of this potent and ancient remedy. It's a journey that spanned thousands of years, crossing cultures and continents, and it's one that's brought us to a deeper understanding of what Shilajit is and what it can do for us. We've learned that Shilajit is not just a substance, but a complex blend of minerals and organic compounds. It's a product of nature's slow and meticulous work, formed over centuries from the decomposition of plants and minerals. This potent resin is both a testament to the power of nature and a gift that it offers us. We've delved into the myriad health benefits of Shilajit, exploring how it can bolster our immune system, enhance our energy levels, and support our overall health and well-being. We've seen how it can aid in fighting fatigue, in managing stress, and in improving cognitive function. It's clear that this humble resin packs a mighty punch when it comes to health and wellness. We've also discussed how to incorporate Shilajit into our daily routines. Whether you prefer to consume it in pure form or as part of a supplement, Shilajit can easily become part of your health regimen. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to reaping its benefits. As we wrap up our exploration of Shilajit, it's clear that this ancient remedy has a lot to offer us in our modern world. It's a bridge between the wisdom of the past and the needs of the present, a potent tool in our quest for better health and well-being. So why not give Shilajit a try and experience its benefits for yourself? And remember, your health is your wealth. Until next time, stay healthy. Thanks for tuning in to our channel Remedies and Resolutions. If you are passionate about natural remedies and holistic health, be sure to explore our other videos for tips on everything from combating colds to safe alternatives for many harsh prescriptions with unwanted side effects. If you found this video helpful, show some love by hitting the like button and sharing it with friends or family who might benefit from these healthy alternatives. For a regular dose of proven home remedies and treatments, make sure to subscribe to our channel. We are dedicated to bringing you multiple new videos every week to keep you informed and inspired on your wellness journey. Your support means the world to us. Thanks for watching and have an amazing day filled with health and happiness.